Hare Krishna everyone, welcome to Krishna Darian's channel. Today I am going to share with you two very simple yet delicious recipes of ice cream. Among them, one of it is Ekadashi friendly. Now before sharing the recipe, I would request you, if you like this video, then please share it with those people who you think would find this useful. And if you are new to the channel, then kindly subscribe to it. So let's proceed to the recipe. So first I'll be using 1 cup and 3/4 cups of whipping cream. In that I will be adding sweetened condensed milk. Now this condensed milk is Ekadashi friendly. I will be sharing the link in the description box for you to purchase it online. So now I'll be adding nearly 150 ml of the condensed milk. Now I'll be adding few strands of saffron in this. I want a kesar ice cream, so I'll be adding some nuts also in it. So if you see, I've added some mixed nuts in it and I'll start whisking it. Now you see the cream still looks a little softer. I want little bit firmer cream. So I'm going to start the whisking again. This process took me nearly 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure to maintain the same speed. But if you do not have this automatic whisker, then you can just use it with hand and it's going to take more time. Now I have taken a bakeware here for cakes. So in this I'm going to make my ice cream. If you see this aluminium foil, I have folded them into rectangle shape and then I had made this division because I'm going to add 2 different flavors. That is how I am going to divide the 2 ice creams. If you do not want to use saffron strands, then you can also use vanilla essence to have a flavor of vanilla ice cream, but that you cannot use for Ekadashi. Now I'm going to make sure that everything is smooth and start with the second one. Taking the same quantity of whipping cream and the same quantity of condensed milk, I will start the whisking of this particular mixture. I'm going to turn off the whisking to just see how much smooth the cream has become. So now while it is this smooth, I'm going to add nearly a 1/4 cup of carob powder. If you eat chocolate, you can even use that. So this carob powder, I got it online and I will share with you link of it too. This is just a 1/4 cup of it. So I'm going to whisk it to see what the color changes to. So I feel that there is more need of carob powder, so I will be adding nearly more 2 tablespoons of carob powder. If you notice, the cream has started thickening. So this is the kind of consistency we desire. Now I'll be turning off this whisking. And now I'm going to add some carob chips in it. Now this carob chips, I got it from a local store. I'll check if it is available online and then I'll share the link of the same below. Now after adding it, I'm going to make sure to mix it well so the carob chips is evenly distributed. The most important part is smoothing this entire ice cream like that. And now on top of it also I'm going to add more carob chips for additional flavor. And after adding this side, I'm going to sprinkle some grated nuts. And after that I will be using a saran wrap. This saran wrap helps the ice cream to not get too icy And also when you place the Saran Wrap on top of it, it helps with the leveling of the ice cream too. Make sure to use 2 Saran Wraps for each of the ice creams. See, this is how I am leveling it. After doing this, I am going to put the ice cream into the freezer. Now if your freezer is on a very low temperature, it means on the freezing point, higher on the freezing point, then you have to keep it just for an hour. And if it is on a medium freezing temperature, then you just have to keep it for nearly 2 hours, because we have to make sure to separate the aluminium foil from between. If you see, I'm using this spatula so that I can place the Saran Wrap in between like that and easily remove the aluminium foil out. Our ice cream looks still soft, which is what we want, so that we can easily remove the aluminium foil out. Now I'm going to again put this ice cream into the freezer for nearly 3 hours. So after the 3 hours were done, I'm going to remove the Saran Wrap and our ice cream is done. I'm going to scoop it in this manner. Looking at the texture of the ice cream, you can see how smooth it is. Same like the store-bought ice creams. I have tried this carob ice cream also before, and it really is very delicious. It has a very rich flavor because of the carob and cream mixed together. After placing them on the bowl, I am going to place individually tulsi leaf and offer it at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. This makes our offering complete. So I hope you liked watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.